Eventually, he taught people how to follow Christ through his spiritual exercises. All this he got through his life of prayer. And then he had to go through the studies, formal studies of the church, theology, philosophy, at an old age. He did all that, and finally he gave all his wealth, all his property he sold, and gave it to the church. Went to the Pope with the 9 followers to serve the Pope, to serve God under the banner of Christ, under the Pope's authority, and he started the Society of Jesus. What does it gain if you gain the whole world and lose your soul? And then he offered his life, and this is his prayer. Take, O Lord, receive all my liberty, my memory, my understanding, my entire will, all that I have and possess. You have given all to me, to you, O Lord, I return it. All is yours. Dispose of it wholly according to your will. Only give me your love and your grace. That is sufficient for me. And so he made God his priority, his goal, because it is God who created us, God who gave this world to us. And so the first commandment, the first principle of life, praise God, love your neighbor as you love God, love your neighbor as you love yourself. And so we have the Mark Link, a Jesuit, who shares a poem which compares our commitment to Jesus as 2 people riding in tandem a bicycle. At first, I sat in front, Jesus in the rear. I couldn't see him, but I knew he was there. I could feel his help when the road got steep. Then one day, Jesus changed seats with me. Suddenly, everything went topsy-turvy. When I was in control, the ride was predictable, even boring. But when Jesus took over, it got wild. I could hardly hold on. But Jesus smiled and said, pedal.